Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to open a bank account online of HSBC UK Bank. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for HSBC UK Bank. Click on this first website over here. Now, we can see the banking option. Choose the account type, let's go for bank account, and scroll down. We can see this option called Apply Now, so let's tap on this. Now, choose your country and enter the details and simply click on Start Application. Now, we need to follow 6 steps here. At first, we need to enter all of our personal details. Once all of the details are done, simply click on Continue. After this, we get into the next step in which we need to enter our contact details. After that, we need to provide employment or financial details. Afterward, verification of all the details provided will be done, and we'll preview it. We also need to provide our identity cards as well. Once all of the information and the requirements are completed, finally, our bank account will be open online. So, that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.